Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous body off 1971 Corvette Roadster, finished in Mulsanne blue. This car is loaded too. Got Joe, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How we doing today, Joe?
How are you today?
Good, man. What a car.
Thank you. Thank you.
Beautiful. All the right stuff. Leather, power windows, tilt wheel. Not too many miles on the build too, right?
No, it's 10,000 miles or so since the restoration.
Beautiful straight body, luggage rack, shoulder harness, brand new exhaust.
A lot of good things.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. I couldn't even believe how many options are on here too. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, big block hood, sitting on Rallyes. Tires are like brand new. Sounds good too. What kind of mufflers you got on there?
Magnaflow.
Really sets off. You know, these chrome bumper Corvettes are really coming up in value. These are our new C3s. It's so pretty. It's got a custom Bluetooth stereo in it. Rebuilt Turbo 400, rebuilt motor. Top's black. Check pictures of that on our website. Love the look of the luggage rack. You don't really see that. Favorite color, same blue. Showing 64,862 miles. I would say that's original, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Just 350, 300 horse from the factory. I think it's got a little more snot than that. A little mild cam.
Yeah.
Power brakes, power steering, air conditioning that actually works. Brand new radiator up front. Flex fan. Oh, an electric fan too. Double fans.
Wind's gonna take this.
Yeah. Like the look of the big block hood too. All new lines and everything were done. This body was completely off on this car. A meticulous restoration. So the electric fan comes on at 180.
180, yeah.
So pretty. Wiper door opens beautifully. Wipers were great. Headlights up front come up and down. Awesome. It's got a brand new HEI distributor, so we're running distributor. New intake by Edelbrock. It's Edelbrock 600 under there too. Finished Endura shine. Pretty. Man, this car is done. Can you fire it up though?
Yeah.
Got great oil pressure. The only reason Joe's selling it is because he's moving. Take me with you too. North Carolina, right? Car runs nice and cool, doesn't overheat. It's an Arctic radiator, nice and big too. It makes some nice stuff over there. Beautiful welds.
Right.
Yeah,
I did a lot of
now you can imagine. He's a mechanic by trade, so you can imagine. Probably took you a long time to find this car too, huh? Wow, very cool. Gorgeous. Pop the headlights on. And right up. And then put the blinker on. Here you go, and the other one. Beautiful. I won't ask you to turn the wipers on. I won't ask you to turn the wipers on. And all the lights work. All right, pop the wipers. This never works. That's fantastic. Oh my God, and look how beautiful it fits too. Wow. They're always lazy and off. Beautiful car, Joe. Guys, if you're looking for a chrome bumper Corvette, this is it. Ready to go, nothing to do. Just hop in and enjoy it. Thanks, Joe.
You're welcome.